Pros and cons of kitchen glass cabinet doors. Dear friends, kitchen glass cabinet doors can add depth and intrigue to a kitchen design, but they're not ideal for everyone. Before you invest in glass doors for your cabinets, you need to know the pros and cons. We've designed plenty of kitchens with and without glass door fronts. We'll help you decide which options are right for you. Pros of kitchen glass cabinet doors. If you want to display your dishes in your kitchen, glass doors would be the perfect place to do that. You don't have to worry about as much dust as you would get with open shelves, but you can still see everything you want to display. If you add lights within the cabinets, you can highlight exactly what you want to showcase. Speaking of lights, glass kitchen cabinet doors add new possibilities for kitchen lighting. The cabinet's lights will illuminate kitchen areas, which can be particularly useful near the ceiling. Replace your soffit with a row of glass door cabinets, and you'll have lighting and decor rolled into one. If you have a small kitchen that feels closed in, the glass cabinets can open the space up. Just note that you'll want some form of closed cabinets in the kitchen because visible clutter will make the room feel smaller once again. Cons of kitchen glass cabinet doors. The biggest drawback to glass cabinet doors is the fact that everything is on display. Most homeowners don't have a Pinterest-worthy kitchen organization that looks beautiful at all times. Your cabinets are stuffed with mismatched dishes, plastic containers, snack boxes, canned food, and other items you may not want to see. The glass on the doors can also be tricky to keep clean. You'll be able to see every fingerprint, which isn't ideal for highly used cabinets. This may not matter much for cabinets along the ceiling, but it will matter for high-traffic areas. Finally, the cost of glass kitchen cabinet doors can be a bit higher than standard cabinet doors. The glass is easier to break, so you'll also need to factor in potential repair costs. How to use glass in a smart way. It's all about balance. If you want glass kitchen cabinet doors, we recommend using them in strategic places. Put the glass doors on the end of the cabinets to create a display area for specialty dishes. Add a row of glass cabinets above your upper cabinets for additional storage and lighting options. Use glass doors in your kitchen island if you don't need that area for storage. As long as you don't use glass everywhere in your kitchen, you'll have plenty of space to tuck away the items you'd prefer not to see. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.